Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to find saved routes on Strava. Before we begin, keep in mind that route planning and saving route is a Strava Premium feature, so you will need an active premium subscription to create and save route. So first, just go ahead and open the Strava app on your phone, and now just go ahead and click on the Maps icon at the bottom. And now this is where Strava provides route planning tools and route recommendation. Now just go ahead and look for saved section with the map area and just go ahead and tap on it. And now, as you can see, I do not have Strava Premium, so I will not be able to access those features. But if you have, just go ahead and follow my steps and you'll be good to go. And after clicking on Saved, you will find all of the routes that have been previously saved using the route builder. You can tap on any saved route to view your map, elevation details, and use it for your next activity. If you do not see any routes, you may need to create one first by using the route builder by just clicking on Create Route just like so. And remember that saving and managing route requests is Strava Premium. If you are using the free version, the route saving feature may not be available. And that's it. That's how you find saved route on Strava, by opening the Maps tab, accessing the saved section, and understanding that route saving requires a premium subscription. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.